A double replacement reaction is exactly what it sounds like. Two elements or ions switch their attraction to different elements or ions. In this case, you have sodium chloride and silver nitrate, and then we end up with products of sodium nitrate and silver chloride. Note that pretty much what is always going to happen is we split these up into cations and anions, and the anions essentially switch places. So the chloride goes and bonds with the silver because it's a cation, and the nitrate here, which is an anion, goes and bonds with the opposite cation. So negative charges swap, essentially, or positive charges swap. You can think of it either way. Note when you write out the reaction and you are neutralizing your products, and you have to account for those charge values, ions do not change their charges. So do not write different values than they should be. And then one of the products will always be a solid. If you are kind of into this and you're looking at AP Chem, you can check this out and you can look up solubility rules to see which one should be the solid and which one should still be aqueous and dissolved. I am not going to require that you know this. We never got to solubility rules, so don't worry about it, okay, unless you want to look it up. The practice problem that I give you, we have potassium nitrate and aluminum chloride produces what? Let's take a look. Okay, again, what we're primarily looking at, and the way I like to always think of it, is the two anions just switch places. So the nitrate should unbind from the potassium, and then the chloride will come take its place. Whereas the aluminum will unbind from the chloride and the nitrate will take its place. The two things that are negative charged just swap. So what we should have is KCl, and those are both positive 1 charge, so that's okay. And this is going to be aqueous. Again, I don't expect you to know which is aqueous or not. And then the other compound that we get, right, is aluminum and nitrate combining. Now, aluminum is a positive 3 charge. Nitrate, if you look on your polyatomic ion sheet, is a negative. Aluminum is positive 3. Nitrate is negative 1. So we need 3 nitrates to neutralize the aluminum. Okay, and I'm actually just going to get rid of this because I don't want you all worrying about which is which. So we should end with potassium chloride and aluminum nitrate.